Good evening. Today, we will be covering the post-market update dated the 9th of November, 2023. After 2 days of flat closing, the equity indices ended on a negative note amid volatility on November 9th, with Sensex falling 143.41 points, or 0.22% to end at 64,832.20, while Nifty was down 48.20 points, or 0.25% to close at 19,395.30. Biggest gainers on the Nifty were M&M, Apollo Hospitals, Coal India, Hero Motocorp and Power Grid Corporation. While losers were Adani Enterprises, HUL, Tata Consumer Products, Adani Ports and ONGC. Talking about the corporate segment, we have MTAR Technologies. Investors made their disappointment with weak September quarter results, known as the stock crashed 11% on November 9th. Around 1.7 million shares of the company had exchanged hands on NSE and BSE by midday against 1 month average of 0.3 million. The fall pushed the stock 23% below its 52-week high of 2,920 rupees touched on September 11th. The company's profit declined 17% on year to 20 rupees crore. Its revenue, however, jumped 32% on year to 166 rupees crore in Q2 financial year 2024, whereas earnings before interest, tax, depreciation, and amortization increased 3.4% on year to 36.1 rupees crore. Shares of Endurance Technologies was down over 5% on November 9th morning. Even automotive component manufacturer posted strong July-September quarter results. The company's consolidated total income rose 8% on year in Q2 financial year 2024, led by Indian, as well as European operations. Consolidated profit after tax, too, jumped 17.5% on year to 154 rupees crore in the September-ended quarter. Segment-wise, revenues from the Indian business grew 4% year-on-year, driven by higher demand from three-wheelers, while European Union revenues were up by 10% YOY in Q2 financial year 2024. Shares of LUPIN rose around 2%, and hit a 52-week high of 1,232.10 rupees in the opening trade on November 9th, a day after the pharma company reported a stellar set of earnings for the July-September quarter, impressing investors on all three fronts of revenue, net profit and profitability. The drug maker's net profit surged manifold to 489.67 rupees crore, sharply up from 129.73 rupees crore in the year-ago period. The jump in profit was aided by strong revenue, which grew over 20% on year to 4,939.20 rupees crore. Shares of Power Finance Corporation gained 5% at open on November 9th, a day after the state-owned lender posted a nearly 27% year-on-year increase in net profit for Q2 financial year 2024. In a regulatory filing on November 8th, PFC reported at Q2 financial year 2024 net profit of 6,628.17 rupees crore for the quarter ending September 2023. Revenue for the same period was 22,391 rupees crore, up from 19,336 rupees crore in the previous fiscal. Shares of Mahindra and Mahindra jumped nearly 4% in trade on November 9th. Mahindra and Mahindra is expected to report a healthy rise in second quarter earnings, led by robust automobile sales, even as weak tractor sales will cap gains. The auto major will share its September quarter numbers on November 10th. Mahindra and Mahindra's net profit is expected to jump over 37% on year to 2,840 for rupees crore, according to the average of estimates of 5 brokerages. DPSC in daily time frame is trading around 20.5 points with a change of 19.88%, and is trading with a net volume of around 9.362 million shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 17.25, which is a good indication for the stock. while shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 73.02. AMJ Land Limited in daily time frame is trading around 38.25 points with a change of 17.15%, and is trading with a net volume of around 2.182 million shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 33.30, which is a good indication for the stock, while shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 71.83. GC Ventures Limited in daily time frame is trading around 222.60 points with a change of 14.1% and is trading with a net volume of around 1.602 million shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 200.75, which is a good indication for the stock, while shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 67.07. For the stock recommendation we have, Cummins India looks good and can be bought at 1752, keeping a stop loss of 1,722 rupees and a target of 1810.
You can reach us via phone, WhatsApp, or email using the information listed on the screen. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more financial insights. And, as always, if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, leave them in the comments section below. Until next time, happy investing.